Morning, everyone. Today I'm going to register at my nearest police station. That's the Chinese law. You're required, if you move to a new address or you arrived in China, to register at your nearest police station. Now, for those who are foreigners who might not even who come and stay at hotels, you might not know this. Might not know this and think that no, everything is okay. I didn't have to register last time I came to China. I just went to my hotel. As you might know, as you might be aware or not be aware, not all hotels in China accept foreigners. There's just a few hotels that accept foreigners. Those that do accept foreigners, what happens is those that do accept foreigners, what happens, there will be a police officer in that hotel who will check your details after you've booked in from the hotel staff and process them and register you in that hotel, your address. So that's what I'm going to do today. As well, as you might have seen, is I am cycling. I am cycling. The reason why I chose to cycle, I just want to see like how far is the nearest, because that's the nearest to the Beijing South railway station. I'm going to show you some videos of trains arriving and departing. If you stay tuned, you might as well subscribe, like, and leave a comment. The other thing here, the law only applies to those who don't break it, so that's a Tesla. A lot of people drive Teslas here in China. I hope you can hear me through the sound, and because I forgot some earphones, some headphones.
Hallelujah.